Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Analgesiometer or Analgesiometer, this or Eddyshotplate also called. This is the on-off switch. When you switch it on, it will give you the temperature. This is a lid and there is one probe for temperature. You can see this now, temperature is increasing. When the temperature will increase, I have just made one video, so the temperature from has gone to 50 degree almost, and this one is the indicator that instrument is on. There are two indicators here. This one is 50 degree. One indicator tells you the temperature is heating is going on. Now see, 50 degree, it has become off. Mostly experiment is done on 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree. That depends on you. We generally say it is 50 to 60 degree. Written over in our manual also, they have provided manual also. And how to check it. These are the plates working. You have to check what is the effect of the morphine on the analgesic effect of the morphine. Licking paw, the mouse or the mice will lick the paws or start jumping because of the heat. And this can be on 60 degree. We can give you a setting at 60 or 50 degree. Now how to set the temperature? First of all, you have to set it. It comes 1, then you can increase it. I can now increase it to 60 degree. This will send it to you in 60 degree or 50 degree both, or you can do the experiment on 70 degree also, but it depends on you. You can do better to set only temperature, not other settings, so that you do not face any problem technically. So it is, then you enter it. So once is setting means this set one, change, increase or decrease temperature and then set. Now it is 56 degree. Now when the mouse is put from this, the jumping will start going on. So the mouse, you can start from the lower temperature, and then when the temperature increases, it starts licking the paws of the mouse, and then after removing it, you can do give a morphine and then again do the experiment. At what temperature it start licking and at what temperature it jumps. If the temperature is unbearable, it will start jumping. Say it is 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, it will start jumping. So very easy. The manual says, please do not change any other setting of the temperature except the one which we have told you how to set the temperature. Then there are switching on the temperature, how to press the temperature and see the temperature. Green indicator, this tells you, the green light tells you the temperature inside, set temperature, and the other white will show you. And this is on, heating on. We have told you here it is heating on. I'll show you once again. This one is heating on, and then this one is after doing few cycles of on-off, the temperature will become 50 degree or 60 degree or whatever you said. And then you can do the experiment. What normally the animal shows the response in 4 to 6 seconds, and the cutoff period is 15 seconds for observation to avoid the damage to the paws. So this is the email, our email and Abron Exports. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. And here also you can check. And then this is a very instrument. We have got the pharmacy, all instruments. Pharmacy, different instruments are available with us. Even the chymograph and other, all those instruments, organ bath and instruments are there. Please visit the website and you can order these items from us. Thank you very much. Subscribe the channel and like the videos, and share the videos and subscribe to the channel and share forward it to others. Thank you very much.